They got a garage, boo. Ain't no fixing that.
Why did you cut the dog? Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing this blessed fine evening? I have a review for y'all. Just, an unboxing type of situation. It's going to be for this pet grooming kit and vacuum. Now, this is the vacuum. It's been used, so it's not clear. I don't know what that was. But it's not clear. So this is the vacuum. I don't think it's ever going to be as clear as when I first got it. But this is what it looks like. And it comes with an array of attachments, okay? It has a manual, which I'm actually about to open up right now so I can show y'all some of the items. Okay, so this is called the vacuum device. We have the electric clipper that the hose attaches to. And if you look at this white part right here, we can see that going up and down as we adjust it. Up, down, up, down. And should it have numbers on there? It does. Okay, so it has 0.5, 1, and 1.5 millimeters. And then we have different combs. So it's 4 combs. We have a 3, a 6. This should be 9, right? Yep, a 9 and then a 12. So the 4 different combs. We have a hose not a hose. We have, what is this going to be called? This is called a nozzle. So we have a nozzle that can be attached to the hose to pick up like any flyaway or stray hairs. And then we have the slicker brush, the dematting brush, which I'm gonna really call an attachment. I don't know why it's called the brush. And then we have the slicker tool to kind of, not slicker, what is this? Hair remove. There we go. To pick up hairs. And you can tell, like this, I tested it out. It does pick up some hairs. So we got those, which I'm going to sit right here for the time being. The hose I was talking about, this is the hose with the 2 sides. And then you just plug it up front right here. So it'll go in like this. And then the other side will just go into anything you're using. I'm gonna actually do the clippers. So that's in there. Now, don't be like me and then use it one time and then the second time you use it, you're like, where in the world? How do I even plug this in? It's underneath. The cable is underneath. So you unwrap it from here and you plug it in, use it, and then wrap it back. Remember that. And then to deattach this part, all you're gonna do is press this button and it comes right out. And then to empty it, all you're gonna do is just the clip. There was hair in there, just a tad bit. I didn't clean it up all the way. So now the hair got on me. But this is what it looks like, okay? This is actually not loud. I just want y'all to know that. So when it's going, of course it's gonna shock your dog a little bit, but it's not too crazy. Now I had to record this part separately because I don't know what's going on with what I recorded previously. Like for some reason some part is missing, audio is going wonky, so that's why I recorded this part separate. Now I'm about to show you guys me cutting my dog, and it was an experience, okay? I kind of did her wrong just a tad bit, but neither here nor there. Neither here nor there. Oh yeah, I had to come back. It also comes with a bag that you can put all the different attachments in. So that's that. There we go. Pet grooming vacuum. That's actually not my purchase. My mom purchased it, for her new dog. But I'm benefiting from it because her new dog has straight, short fur. She really don't need this. It's all right, but we done this before. No need to stress. I'm gonna keep it on 1.5. You smell it? We've done this before. I'm gonna just take a little sloop off. See how it's sucking it up? You know what? I don't know if I should be cutting you this low. You know what's crazy? I might have to cut you this low. Girl, you getting cut this low. You see the hair in the container. No hair. I'm gonna show it like this way if y'all can see it. It's sucking the hair up as I'm cutting it, okay? Subscribe if you want to, like if you want to. We all grown. Do what you want. Sugar, baby, I think I'm scalping you. Hold on, boo. I'm gonna have to change the head on here. Girl, I ain't want you that sparse now, girl. Ooh, girl, you're gonna be a little naked. I took too much off the top on you. Hold on, I gotta try it with this 3. Let's see how that look. Yeah, I was supposed to have did it with the 3. Girl, I done scalped your boo. And the other clippers I used for her, like, I was afraid to like cut her. With these, I'm truly not afraid to cut her, like at all. That's how full it is. I almost got like her whole, gotta get her some snacks too, cause she can't be out here willy-nilly like this. Cause I don't got no little bag to go in. Bop, bop. Come on out. Fur at the tippy top static. Bruh, no wonder. I'm like, why is the hair coming out this bag? The bag got a whole hole in it. I be a contortionist. Doggone country. I hate you. Look at me. Sit. Sugar, sit. Look at me. Ah! Look at me. Ah! How you feel? You feel better? Girl, you look like you've been through it. I'm gonna give you a snack too. A little snack. Yeah, yo. Chicken, when your fur grow back, girl, you gonna be styling on them folks. You feel me? So what was that, 3? It took me 3 empties to get her, and this one not all the way full. Like this gonna be an interesting reaction. I just want to see. Don't her leg booty look tooted up like her legs real long in the back? Girl, I did you wrong. Ooh, girl, I cut you wrong. She looked like an unloved child. You ever seen a baby that's not greased up? You're like, why is that baby not greased up? Come here, sugar.
I don't believe you scalped her. Danielle. That's the purpose of the thing. So you
I told you.
This.
Why you looking so surprised? I told you on the phone. Don't act surprised when you see her, cause I done warned you.
Get out, girl.
I'm pulling my clothes on her so she look loved.
You need to even it out.
Mama, nah, I gotta let that grow out. I gotta let that grow out. That gotta grow out, boo. Ain't no fixing that.
Why did you cut it down?
I told you I did this strip straight from the back of her neck to her tail. I went straight down the middle and the sides before I realized.
You scalped her to her skin.
Sugar.
Poor dog. Don't you let her out in the back.
Don't do her like that. You can see how slender she really is with these cuts.
Don't you cut her no more.
Not with that guard. Mama.
What?
That's mine.
I didn't tell it to jump out.